Hello, we are going to look at the Lesson 10 problem set right now. We're going to use our angle relationships to write an equation in order to solve for each variable and determine the indicated angles. Then we can check our answers by measuring with a protractor if we want. If we're face-to-face, we can do the protractor, but otherwise we're just going to work through the relationships and writing equations. So I know this is a 90-degree angle, and then I can see that I have supplementary relationship, which means they have all of these angles together have a sum of 180. So for my equation, I will write 90 plus x plus 65 is 180 degrees. 90 and 65 makes 155. Combine like terms there. And I would need to subtract 155 from each side of my equation, giving me x is 25. So this angle, DAE, is 25 degrees. Number 2. Describe the relationships in the following diagram. So here it appears that, again, I have angles on a line which are supplementary. So I have F plus 154 plus F is 180 degrees. F and F make 2F plus 154 is 180. Subtract 154 from each side. Ran out of room. So 2F is going to be equal to 26. Divide each side by 2. F is 13. So this is 13 degrees and this is 13 degrees. And I was looking for the measurement for QPR. So that is QPR. I was looking for this measurement here and I found it. It's 13 degrees. QPR. Okay, and the next one, it looks like I have supplementary angles again. So these all have a sum of 180. So I'm just going to go around 10 plus 2x plus 103 plus 3x plus 12 is 180 degrees. So I'm going to combine like terms. 2 and 3x is 5x plus, let's see, this would be 115, so 125. And I would subtract 125 from each side. And 5x is 25. No. 55. Let me clean that up a little bit. That was 7 minus 2 is 5. So that's 55. Okay. And then divide each side by 5. X is 11. So 2 times 11 is 22 degrees here. 3 times 11 is 33 degrees here. CQD is 22 degrees, and EQF was 33 degrees. Right. The next one, in a complete sentence, describe the angle relationship and find the measure of x. So here, that looks very busy. There's lots of ways we can approach this. I think I'm going to start by just tracing a line, okay, because here would be a supplementary relationship, and that's the one that I want to use. Let's say x plus 71 plus x plus 71 is equal to 180 degrees because it's supplementary. So 2x's plus 142, 71 and 71 is 142, is 180. Subtract 142 from each side. 2x is equal to 38. I'll just move. So then we have 2x is 38. Divide each side by 2. X is 19. Each one of these is 19 degrees. Okay. For the next one, we have a little hint that we should solve for x first. So here's our x value. Let's see what we can do there. I'm trying to see if I have vertical angles anywhere. No, there's a straight line. That might help me because this is 90 degrees. I think that'll give me what I need. So I'm going to use a supplementary angle here. And I'll color code this. So I have x plus 25 plus 90 equals 180. So x plus 115 equals 180. Subtract 115 from each side. And x is equal to 65 degrees. Make my 5 a little neater. Maybe clean this up a little too. Sometimes I get in a hurry and it becomes messy, but we can just clean it up. Okay. So then now I'm looking for y. So to do that, I can use this supplementary relationship again. A different supplementary, a different line. So I'm going to go 65 plus y plus 90 is 180. Okay, so 155 plus y is 180. Now I'll subtract 155 from each side. And y is 25. This is 25 degrees. Right. 6. This is another one where the picture's on the next page. Alright, so describe the angle relationship. Find the measures of x and y. This one says solve for x or y first. So either way. This is 90 degrees. I can use that to decide this is 90 degrees because they're vertical to each other. Alright, let's see what else. Altogether, this is supplementary. So I think I can go ahead and find the value of x. 90 plus x plus 24 is 180. So 90 plus 24 plus 2x is 180. 90 and 24 is 114. Plus 2x is 180. Minus 114 from each side. 2x is 66. So then 1x is 33. 33 degrees, 33 degrees. Oh my. This one we don't have a measurement for. Wonder if we can get a measurement. I think I see a line here. There's a line. There's a line. Up. Vertical angles. This angle and this angle are the same. So that's a 24-degree angle. And I got that by using vertical angles. Okay, so then for the y's, I could use this complementary. If this is 90, then 90 and 90 make 180. So I'm going to use this complementary relationship this time. So 24 plus 1, 2, 3 y's is 90. Subtract 24 from each side. 3 y's is 66. Divide by 3. Each y is 22 degrees. Okay. Here we have a complementary relationship. I know because these two angles combine to create a 90-degree angle. So I'm going to write complementary. I'm going to write 3 squared, 3 halves x plus 20 plus 2x equals 90. So this would be, that's 1 1/2. So that would be 3 1/2 x plus 20 is 90. Minus 20 from each side. 3 1/2 x is 70. So 3.5x is 70. Divide each side by 3.5. How many groups of 3.5 are in 70? It's 20. So 2 times 20 is 40 degrees, and 1 1/2 times 20 would be 30, plus 20 is 50, and 40 and 50 make 90. So moving on, let's see what we can use here. Oh, okay, let's see. Let's start here and use supplementary. So 155 plus something, let's call that p instead of a, because we already have an x. So then subtract 155 from each side, and this p here is going to be 25. So that's 25 degrees. This is vertical to that, so that makes that 25 degrees. Sorry about that. Okay, so now I've got this line here that I can use using supplementary again. So 25 plus 3x plus 56 is 180. 3x plus, let's see, 25 plus 56, 81 is 180. So 3x equals 99. I subtracted 81 from each side. And x would be 33. Oh, but I'm looking for 3x, which I already have. It's 99. Okay. The next one, the ratio 4 to 5, they're adjacent, which means they're next to, they're on a line. So this one's a little larger. 4 to 5. 4x plus 5x is 180. 9x is 180. Divide by 9. X is 20. So this would be 100 because 5 times 20 is 100. And 4 times 20 is 80. Together, 180. Okay, we're getting close to the 15-minute mark, so I decided to just go ahead and work this one out. We have 3 adjacent angles on a line. That means that they're next to each other and they're on a line. And they have a ratio of 3, 4 to 5. So 3x, 4x, and 5x. And I added those and got 12x is equal to 180 because it's a line. Then I divided each side by 12. X is 15.